Air connection. This is the air supply, the main air supply for this air pipe. This one goes in and this goes out. Then goes out, connect with the air unit. Then there this main air pipe divided to one pipe goes there. And this pipe goes there, goes here. And this one is for the air gun, to connect the air gun. This air gun. And the other pipe, this one, is to connect for the up, for going up, for the movement of the cylinders. Now we check this main air pipe. We go through this main air pipe, connecting with this sock, this one. And this tool is for release air. This for release air. You need to keep it straight. Do not block this. Do not block this. You just release the air like this, because this is for release air. This tool is connected with the left one and the right one. This is the main air supply connected with in the middle. This one we said come from there. Then this air comes out with two pipes. So this two type was divided here. So this tool is connected with the cylinder there. And this tool is to connect with the cylinder there. Let's see if this tool is connecting. These two cylinders.